This always, this always happens to me as soon as I turn on the camera. Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. The dogs are in their crates because I was cleaning the house this morning. I woke up, did more cleaning, did all the laundry, I swept the house, vacuumed the house, mopped the house. You guys already know I'm like Cinderella. I'm just constantly cleaning. But I want to show you guys the rooms because we rearranged it this past weekend. It only took us like 3.5 hours to do, and you know, I cleaned the rooms, I washed all the bed sheets. It didn't take that long, but overall it was very productive. I'm so glad we're done with that. So I'm so sorry for the dog barking. It's Mega's the one barking. Well, let me show you guys the bedrooms. So we have an official guest bedroom now. That way when Alexander's family comes to visit, they have a door that can fully close, and it's right across from the restroom. That way they're not walking so far from the other bedroom. So this is the guest room, and I love it so much. It is just so clean and airy. And yeah, look at that. Everything's all nice and ready for his mom when she comes tonight. She lands like around 9 p.m. tonight. So I'm excited to see her. This one and this one is originally Eric's cabinets that he's leaving here. So he still has his clothes in here. We're just going to wait until he gets rid of all that stuff, and then I'm going to try to reorganize the cabinets. But we do have a lot of extra cabinet space, but this is how it looks. I'm loving it, keeping it very minimal. This little photo of Newman that Lucine got us. And then our little monkeys here. His mom's perfume, she left here, so I just left it there for her. This is Eric's, but I don't know if he wants to take it. My mom got this for him when we were in Austria. And a little birthday card that Lucine gave to Alexander. I thought this was cute, so I just left it on the counter. And then a cute little IKEA lamp that we have over here. Very, very spring. It's giving spring. And there's little Mr. Newman. And then the closet is basically Alexander's closet. All of his clothes are in here. More space, less clutter. Just all of his clothes, important documents, extra storage bins that we don't use at the moment. And then like the dog's basket is down there, like all their toys, their clothes, extra dog blanket, and then his mom's extra clothes are in there. So whenever she comes to visit, she has some spare clothes in there. It's a great room for anybody who wants to come visit, just his family. Yeah, I want to show you guys that. Come on, Newman, let's go show them the other room. The back room, you guys see how we have this gate? This is for the dogs. So there was no way to close this door completely and no privacy really. But this room is more so entertainment room / game room. Right now, this is where Eric is staying. So whenever Eric does come back, he will sleep here because his bed is back there in the corner. But this is how it's currently looking. We had the bookshelf right here, but we moved it to that corner. That way it's not blocking the entryway to the closet, and it's too much going on in this corner. So we moved it to this corner. That way, you know, in case any dogs, they don't come and they knock things over. But this is the situation in this room. So again, this is also another guest room, if anything, but my brother's bed is right here. Our couch is here. Obviously, this is going to be gone when he moves. All of this stuff is his. That is his. And we brought the computer desk in here. Eric is taking all of this with him to Florida, and then we're going to eventually move this desk a little further down so it's not in front of the window. And yeah, look at all this space we have. It just looks so good. I don't know if this door is locked. No, it's not. So Eric's extra clothes, he's not bringing any of his jackets or coats because he's going to be in Florida. So he's leaving it here, and he's leaving some extra t-shirts here. But this is just kind of like miscellaneous / storage closet where my brother and Alexander store like all their other stuff. yeah, it's just very tight in here, so it's better to not utilize this closet for clothes. Once this desk is moved further down, I have more space to like do my home workouts with the dumbbells and all that stuff. So it's great. But yeah, I've just been preparing the house the past 2 days to make it clean and tidy for when his mom comes. Nothing much planned for today. It's so beautiful outside. It's sunny and 55 degrees. I'm gonna go walk the dogs in like the next hour or so and wait until his mom comes tonight. So I'm looking forward to that. I'm excited. Alexander's at work today. He's doing a short shift. It's about to be 2. He gets off at 5 and we're just gonna chillax until the time being. It's been many hours later. It's 8 o'clock. We're gonna head out soon to go pick up his mom, but we did step out for a bit. We went to the neighborhood Walmart and got some snacks because I want to get some snacks for the road trip. I got a lot of snacks. I got some Funyuns, sour cream and onion, Ruffles, hot Cheetos, and these individual packs of pistachio. Me and Alexander grabbed a quick bite at Bird Call, and then we swung by TJ Maxx, and I got this very gorgeous, let me show you. I know these antique gold picture frames are in right now, but I just love it. I got this one. It's a 5x7. It was only 10 bucks. I think this is so pretty. And then we can place that on the computer desk in the room once Eric is gone. And then we also got a new shower liner for the guest restroom bathroom. And then we got Menace a new food bowl.
It's the same size of it.
It's a little bit bigger.
Yeah, just a little bit bigger.
Just a tad bit bigger, but that one used to be Menace's, and Mega's currently using that one, so we got a new one. It's now the next day. We picked up his mom last night and got stuck in a little bit of traffic, and then we swung by McDonald's to get her dinner, and then came back home and just went to sleep. So didn't film anything after the last clip. Today I'm gonna start packing for Florida. I'm just gonna carry a small backpack with me. This little pouch I got from Miss A. Alexander got it for me. So I'm just gonna pack up some stuff here and there right now. And what else we need to do? We need to, well, I don't really need to do anything. I just gotta pack up my stuff. And then I have my 6 o'clock running class tonight. So I'm trying to figure out what to bring. I'm gonna bring really light. I'm not gonna wear makeup that much when I'm there. Just maybe a few days. I'm going to pack the Shiseido clear sunscreen stick that my aunt got me for Christmas. It's face and body, but I'm just going to use this for my body while I'm out at the beach. I'm going to throw that in here. Oh, I want to bring my little Gucci Bloom perfume so I can smell nice. Setting spray, primer. Do I need primer? No, I don't. Concealer, mascaras. I need my eyebrows. Foundation, lash curler, eyeliner, eyeshadow primer, and liquid eyeliner. I'm just gonna bring the black one. I want to bring the Coral Crush and the Berry Well. These two for blush. And for lips, I'm just gonna bring my e.l.f. lip stain, the fiery red, because I don't want to put anything too thick on my lips. So the lip stain is good, and the e.l.f.'s lip oil. Oh, I forgot my powder. I'm gonna bring my powder with me. Okay, I'm pretty much packed and ready for the trip. I packed extremely light. I think I just got like 5 pairs of underwear, 2 pairs of socks, a bathing suit, 2 very light outfits, a couple of tops to wear, and a couple of biker shorts. Like, I'm keeping it very light. I brought a straightener. All I need to do is pack the rest of my skincare and my laptop and my camera, but not too heavy. This would be good. It's not too bulky. I can manage. Oh, we're gonna miss you, Mega. Look how cute he is. Oh,
my boy.
There's the mama and the old man sunbathing outside with her. Okay, it's been a few hours later. I took a nice power nap, got ready for the gym, and we're out the door. So a little update. Eric's car he's been dealing with some issues with his new car. All of the warning lights keeps popping up, and he took it to the dealership earlier this week and they said, oh, everything should be good now. And then this morning the lights came back up again, so he had to leave work early and take it to the dealership. He left it there because it seems like all the newer models are having the same issues. They need to order a specific part to fix it, and we do not know how long it will take. We leave in 2 days to Florida, and he's carless at the moment, but hoping that they will be able to fix it by tomorrow night. But if not, worst case scenario, we will just use my mom's car to take to Florida, and whenever the car is ready here, my mom will just be driving Eric's car here in Texas for the time being, because Eric's planning on driving back to Texas a few months later just to visit, or even for the holidays, and they can switch the cars then. That's the worst case scenario. So I don't know, I guess you guys will find out in the next vlog if we're going to be using my mom's car or Eric's car for the road trip. Don't worry, we will get there one way or another. I know I mentioned that we wanted to do like a little family dinner one last time before we head out, and that was supposed to be tonight, and I don't know if that's the case. If we're still gonna go have dinner tonight or just eat in. So I'll check back after class and see what's the dealio. I am home. Class was so good today. I love Minute Madness. I don't think it's been a long time since I've done Minute Madness. I think it was way before my car accident, so I loved it. For some reason I had like a burst of energy, and I was able to run at the speed and level that I used to do prior to my car accident, and it's just kind of like refreshing. Like my lungs felt so good today. And I felt like I was flying. I don't know, it just felt great. I felt like I am back to myself again, which is nice. But we are gonna have a family dinner, so I'm just gonna quickly change. Eric wants to go get King Buffet. It's one of the popular Asian buffets here in the area. I'm not a big fan, but he wants a little bit of everything, and whatever he wants, we're gonna go because it's his night. We're celebrating him. So if it's King Buffet, it's King Buffet. So I'm gonna do a quick change. I'm gonna keep my hat on because I'm very gross underneath this hat, and get going. The one and only King Buffet. It's actually pretty crowded here on a Wednesday night. You know, that run got me feeling hungry. Look how they loaded that crab. It's stacked all the way up. I've never seen that before. Alright, officially home from dinner. I am so stuffed. Showered, brushed my teeth, and I have my mouth guard on. I am ready to hit the bed. I am so tired. We have one more day left until we go Friday morning, and it's getting down to the nitty-gritty. Like tomorrow is so busy. I need to do a lot of things, and I'm slightly getting overwhelmed, but things will be okay. Finishing up my skincare here, and I'm just gonna on the bed. I honestly don't know how this vlog is gonna turn out. I feel like it's all over the place, but hey, this is my life right now at the moment. Hey. Where's Alexander? Say hi, you're on frame.
What's up, dogs?
I gotta sleep early tonight because I have to wake up really early tomorrow to take Eric to work. But anyways, I'm going to wrap up this vlog here. I like that he's just hovering over me. But anyways, yes, I'm gonna end this vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please give it a thumbs up. I can't talk. Subscribe to my channel if you like. You want to say bye?
Bye.